Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will talk about our project that is mini hydraulic jack. Hydraulic jack is a device that is used to lift heavy load by applying a force via hydraulic cylinder. Hydraulic jack lift load using the force created by the pressure in the cylinder chamber. And how the hydraulic jack works? The hydraulic jacks work create pressure by moving oil through two cylinders via a pump plunger. The pump plunger is drawn back, which opens the suction valve and draw oil into the pump chamber. As the plunger is pushed down, the oil is transported through an external discharge valve and into the cylinder chamber. The suction valve then closes, resulting in pressure being built up within the chamber, causing the piston in the chamber to rise and lift your heavy loads. This process can be repeated many times, allowing your load to be lifted higher and higher.
I'm Aiman from Group E. Want to present about the physics behind the hydraulic jack. The project of our group is mini hydraulic jack using syringe. Okay, the physics using hydraulic jack is using the Pascal principle. The Pascal principle, this means is the liquid inside the container tu, when we compress, it will flow into the tube to the other container and will jack up the load. The medium to flow to jack up the load using water, mercury on other else, but we use the water because it's simple and the cost is cheap. However, when we are applying force to the small cylinder, the pressure in the larger cylinder is going to the pressure on the larger cylinder is same, but the force output is going to be greater, and the piston of the syringe will jack up the second cylinder. The force of the hydraulic jack will using the physics formula is force equal to pressure times with error. Okay, next, the working principle of the hydraulic jack used in engine hoist is basically the same. It consists of two cylinders, one smaller and one larger, and the load is being lifted by applying a small force in the small cylinder and the multiplies in the large cylinder.
My name is Muhammad Anas Farid bin Masri. So I will represent the prototype assembly string from the drawing. Okay, the first thing we must know how to construct this prototype is the materials. So the material we use to construct this prototype are by materials has been used. Okay, the first materials we use are bottles, beaker and pipes. Okay, the cost to make this prototype are around 50 ringgit, but actually the real cost to make prototype assembly string is too high, so we use recycled materials to construct the prototype. Okay, this is a prototype assembly string that we construct. Okay, the first part we call this part is the big string. Okay, the second part is we call the small string, and the third part we call beaker, and the last part is pipe to connect the beaker.
This is the plate. This function for a base to put something we want to jack, such as brick or anything. And this syringe used to receive the water from the container. Okay. For this syringe, it used to press the water to transport it to the other syringe. Okay, this pipe for transporting the water, and this is container. First, we will fulfill the container and all these syringe with the water, and we put our product to be jacked, such as brick, and press this syringe. All the pressure will come through this pipe to the container, and the water from container will give a pressure all through the pipe to the syringe, and this plate will increase upside up.
Next, the conclusion about our mini hydraulic jacks. First, the jack cannot lift heavy load. The load must not exceed 50 kg because if the load is very heavy, our project will fail. Next, the material we use cannot use in the long term. It can broken. The material we use is not suitable with high load. So we need to use another jack to lift the heavy load. That's all for our conclusion. Thank you.